Hello everyone, this is too much. Yeah, uh, there you go. Hope all is good and you have a beautiful day, morning, night, evening, whatever, everywhere that you are, and all is good. So, first of all, before we start, I'm so sorry for the family of all of the injured victims in the stabbing attack. It just popped up on Twitter for whatever reason. I don't know why. Maybe it was circulating and there were too many tweets about it. But I just saw and it actually shocked me. I'm not feeling well now, but well, it's just news, and I'm so sorry for the victims of what happened there, and cannot put myself in that position to feel how they feel now. All right, but let's look at the markets. Let's switch to oh, where is it? 3V. Okay, here. So what this is what we have. Market's about to open now. Let me lower this down. And okay, so here we have a very quick look at the Qs. So this is the daily SPY, and you can see it went all the way down. We barely topped. It was the equal double top, and then there is a huge force coming down. Look at the volume here, and now look at the volume here. So this is a huge short force coming down, and market will open in a bearish form. We closed here around here yesterday, and now it's opening right around yesterday's shorts. It would be nice that if it pulls back up and then we get a slam dunk down here. I wouldn't be very confident to go long on over this, and I wouldn't like that this happened to the market. Let's look at the Qs. Qs is open, guys. Yeah, there you go. Look at the Qs. A little bit. You look at the volume. Market was a little bit down, but even if it's with a small volume like this, there was a lot more transaction rather than all of these days. And this day with a huge volume coming in, making a new low, then approaching to the low of the last week. That makes it a very tough spot for the long-term investors or those that are holding from these highs, or whomever that went long yesterday with the hopes that it's gonna gap up to the end and keep ripping. So what I'm looking at the end, Nvidia. So this is what I'm looking at. Nvidia was short bias yesterday and it's open, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, there you go. I was short bias yesterday on Nvidia, and the same. I keep my bias going on today, and I'm not gonna change it. Let me just see if I can. Trace 200 quantity, 250, 280, 400, 110, 115, 120, 150, 155, 160, 168, 5. Okay, 165 is my maximum size on this platform. And I would like that this pulls back up. There you go. So what is M5 high touch? I don't want to know that. This is something that I wish I could remove from this indicator. So we are opening inside of the yesterday, which I don't like to trade in. and we'll see how things move forward. I will keep on this side. I'll keep queues open. This may easily become a free fall for Nvidia. I just need to make sure that week low, it is a last week's low. Actually, we have already dipped into last week's low, and if we get a shooting star up here, that would be what I want, what I like. So I've already set alerts around this neighborhood and waiting for a push to the downside. Qs are here. Let's move the chart. Where is it? Okay, so this is what I was saying. Damn. This is what I was saying, that I have already set alerts all over the place, and waiting for this would be a very nice spot if market pulls up, give me a hammer, and then drops down from here. Volume is a little bit inconsistent. I don't see any coloring in the volume, so I just see the higher or lower volume, whatever happens, and it doesn't show that yesterday's spike in volume when it was right before market close. Sorry. So I will make it a little bit of change because I'm looking down here. Later on I will be looking more up here because I have the camera installed a little bit up high and the TV is a little bit low. So here is the area that I don't mind to get a H2. I'm looking at let me see, indicator list, camera pivot H. I don't know why it's called H, but normally it should be S. So let's see if we are getting the hammer that I was just talking about in next 30 seconds. That would be nice to start the day off with. So this is nice already. I'm just waiting for a little bit push up and then drop down. This is the open of the day. This will be a good level to have our hammer formed. The volume is it's not this volume is no good. This volume is not good at all. I'm looking at the volume on Thinkorswim on Q on there you go. I'm going to go all in. Let me see the calculation. 10,000. Okay. Nah, not yet. As I said, I like a push to the upside and to the open, but then this is not the shooting. This is not then a shooting. Nothing is interesting happening so far. The closest resistance, dynamic resistance that there is up here. Well, market still can go all the way up there, but I'm not gonna say no. Who am I to just decide for market what to do? I'm just going to react to the market. This can completely become a push to the upside if sellers they start to stay back and then go in off of this level. Which actually is not a bad idea. make this line dotted. Okay. So based on what I see, and you can see the timing is not well seen here. What is it? Das. There you go. All right. So this now with this, we need another 5 minutes. This you can see time. Okay, I should show here. There is no timing. Where is it? There you go. Here, 2 more minutes left, and actually we need 7 more minutes to have a hammer up here. I'm not trusting this as a doji. I mean, this is still can, if it closes down here, I still count it as a short and then go short. Go sell. We'll see. Hello. This is a breakup HOD. This is more like a long. Yeah, look at this last 20-second coming, last 30-second coming in, market is pushing. We're gonna pull back a little bit and then push for the next candle. I'm not gonna go about buying it. That more than anything, I'm looking into short. Let's see what Q's is doing. Wow, it's gonna be messy. Not the footballist, just the. Look at this. Doesn't know where he wants to go. It could have already taken everyone from both sides out. Those that we just entered and decided, oh, I'm just going to use the top of the day as my HOD as my exit, and those that say, oh, I'm safe, I'm going to go short and I'm going to use it, and just going to take everyone out and then go about its business. Not to forget, which I'm apparently forgetting to mention, yeah. So we have unemployment numbers that that they are already out, and market is not interested about it. NFP just came out, and that's the result of the whatever. It's not nobody's surprise, and well, that's the way that it is, and then the it's becoming a low of market. Back here. There you go. Q's is ripping, and we are waiting to see that. Oh, look at the bid. 1,700 versus 2,200. Like again, 1.9 versus what? 300. 1.3K versus 400. If I don't know, this is not something that I want to get involved with yet. As I said, it became it should be a breakup high up day. You can see it became breakup high up day. It's pushing. This candle can give me the short signal. It's not gonna be classy, but anyhow, not all signals are like textbook. Like let's see whatever that comes after. Comes after this. I'm going to react, not to predict. So I said I'm going to put some music on this thing that I forgot. Jesus. Okay, it's getting. This is the push, the R3, P3. I can expect a beautiful short here. I let this thing to push a little bit. So far nothing. This can become the doji that I was talking about. Any of the, because when there's a move, when there is a push, there is a depleting volume afterwards. So if market is moving heavily, it needs to pull back, or it will be pushed back to retrace. It just doesn't go all the way up or all the way down. It bounces. Market just doesn't move in one direction. So it just makes different moves. It's a wave form. It's not just wing up, wing down. No. So we are in that sequence now. I still don't have signal. And one thing that I wanted to do, Who is this? The recent spread for Apple is a little bit excessive. No, I mean, this is basically my setup, right? This is basically my setup, but I don't like it because of the spread. This looks like he's about to push to the upside, a breakout to the upside. I'm not so keen on this thing. What's the low of this? Low would be 81.38. That's true. Correct. This could be the one that pushes to the upside, or it becomes a depleting crap and it drops down. We'll see. Let me meanwhile look for some music. It's absolutely in a state of I don't know where the hell I want to go situation. I was doing okay, as I said, it can be So annoying. Tired of this. This can understand. So at the end of the day, hey, look at that, second floor. At the end of the day, there you go. So at the end of the day, it became what I told you it would be, this whole mess of crap, and that's not usable. This looks to be a break of high of day now for Nvidia. More push to the upside. So Qs are on the edge of breakout. You can see that's something interesting. I don't mind fixing stuff on the go. Who's to bother? Patience, young one. Ah, it's much better now. Put this one under overlay. There you go. I told you. Yeah, I'm thinking that this still has juice to push up until up here, R3, and then it can go southbound. What's this? Why am I looking at Qs? Because Qs is the one that gives the direction to NVIDIA. And to me, it's a good breakout to the upside. It's gonna be good extended. Okay. This is the time that I'm going to be careful with what I'm doing, because now's the time that this thing can do a little bit of dance. Alors danse. Oh, let me listen to some Stromae dans Alors danse. Yeah, this is the thing. Yeah, that's my signal. This is not a paid promotion, but everyone should go and listen to Stromae. I'm getting ready to go take a position. I still have 8,000. If it cracks